When the internet sees something weird, it doesn't ignore it. No, it asks more questions. And ang nag-iisang tanong ay, who is Beanie? No, it is a girl group, anak. Ito yung hindi naiintindihan ng mga tao no? Views are not the goal. Views are the chismis starter pack. Kasi ganito yan, no? You have high views that equates to ranking. And ranking, no, results to discourse. At yung discourse leads to curiosity. And kapag na-curious yung mga tao, you know that is the most dangerous part. Kasi kapag nagtanong ang mundo, hindi na yan mananahimik. So the real question is, hanggang views na lang ba? The answer is, hindi. Alam niyo, kapag sinearch niyo yung Google search behavior, oo, magsaspike sa Pilipinas, no? Natural yan. Pero nag-spike rin sa United States, Brazil, United Kingdom lang naman, at iba pang mga bansa. You know, before Coachella, no? Flatline, no? Patay. As in, wala, no? Tahimik. Walang paki mga tao sa Beanie. And after, no, ang dami mga puti nagtatanong ay, who the hell is Beanie? And to that we say, it's a girl group, anak. No, and that right there is not a fandom anymore. That is discovery. And when people become curious, so they don't just search, no? They listen. Alam niyo, wala namang pake ang Spotify, no, kapag Pilipino ka. Ang nagmamatter is kapag nagpe-play ba ang kanta. And if there's enough people that plays the song, no, masabi ng algorithm na, ay, may ganap. And that goes the same with YouTube, though, and other platforms. Hindi lang nila pinapanood yung Coachella trip, no, dumediretso na rin sila sa music videos. And you know what? The biggest giveaway is really the comment section. Yung hindi mo na maintindihan kasi alam mo yun, may Portuguese, no, may Chinese, Japanese, may kung ano-ano na. And that's how you know, no? Lumabas na tayo sa group chat ng Pilipinas. Like and follow for more.